Hello, it's Stephen C. Campbell. Welcome to this order page for this digital marketing footprint video training course. This material has been derived from consulting and training that I have delivered personally to organizations ranging from multi-million dollar corporations, SMEs, work from home experts, coaches, consultants, local councils, and entrepreneurs. I've delivered such business development consulting programs throughout Europe, the Far East, and United States. And I've condensed that same material which has resulted in this digital marketing footprint consultative training program. You are getting the very structure of the corporate training programs that I have delivered, along with the thought process used to develop go-to-market, product, service, brand building, and lead generation strategies. Within the video content, you will be asked some of the very same questions that I ask of company management. There are tasks at the end of each module designed to reinforce learnings, and upon completion of the course, you can take advantage of the email consultation where I will take a look at your specific action steps in relation to the material contained within the program. That is why I call this the complete search engine, social media, and Facebook strategic digital marketing consultative training program. With that said, I look forward to being of service to you.
Complete search engine, social media and Facebook, strategic digital marketing consultative training program.